Let's begin, shall we? Turn my speaker off so it's not rude. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all a-okay today. I'm going to be doing a makeup look. I don't really want to call it a tutorial, even though obviously I'm going to speak you through what I'm doing. It's kind of like one of my everyday looks. I have two everyday looks. If you guys follow the vlogs, you're probably aware of each of them. One is quite bright and like orange, and then the other is the one I'm doing today where it's a little bit more grungy. I tend to do this one when I have a little bit more time before work because it requires a wing liner and lashes, and the other one is kind of like when I'm feeling a bit lazy and I just want to quickly get ready for work. So I will be doing that one in a separate video because I have had some requests about it, but today's video is the more grungier one. It's not really that grunge, but I'm going to be using the new Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat palette. I have done a tutorial using the full palette, which I will leave a link down below if you guys are interested, but I'm going to use that one today. I have nothing else to say apart from if you guys are interested in it from the thumbnail or getting ready with me, then please keep watching. So my skincare is all done. I've used the Bobbi Brown Face Base Vitamin thing and bio oil as per usual, so I'm just going to jump in with the makeup. First I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay. I'm so sorry, I knew this was happening. Sarah! I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay B6 Vitamin Infused Complexion Prep Spray. I'm then going to mix two primers. You guys know on this channel we mix a lot of stuff. This is the Too Faced Hangover X Replenishing Face Primer, and this one is the NARS Radiance Enhancing Primer. And then I'm just going to take this just on a brush just to pop it around my face. I don't like using my hands on my face unless I absolutely have to. Then I'm going to go in with a somewhat new product. I've only used this once before. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pore Refining Primer. I used it once yesterday. I feel like I need to use it more to kind of understand it because it doesn't feel like silicone at all. It's like really runny. And I don't really know if it worked properly, but the foundation I'm using today is quite full coverage, so I'll be able to tell. I'm going to go in and do my brows. As always, I will skim through this and leave my tutorial in the down bar down below. I'm using MAC's Fluid Line in Dip Down. So the eyes are going to be quite like grungy and like a little bit simpler than like extravagant eyes. So I'm going to go with my foundation first. Like I said, I'm going to use a full coverage foundation just because my skin isn't the best at the moment and I kind of just want to be full coveraged. And this is the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 33 Beige. As always, you guys do not need a lot of this product. Don't make the rookie mistake that I tend to make often. With my damp Morphe Beauty Blender sponge, whatever it's called, just going to dabble that away. I'm then going to take the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick. This is a foundation, but it says shaping stick, so I'm not sure. It's in the shade 220 Toffee Caramel. I'm just going to use this to like cream contour bronze. The shade looks beaut. This foundation is always stunning because of how much coverage it gives you, but it makes you look so unbelievably flat. Like, I like crave definition whenever I use this. I'm just going to take a small brush to begin with. I don't know what's wrong with me lately, but I keep applying too much product. Like, it happens all the time with like different products as well. Just apply too much lately. I don't know what's going on. With my Real Techniques contour brush, I'm just going to squirt squirt. And then I'm going to go in with the collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shade 1 Fair. Don't know how much of this I've got left, but I'm sure I've got a backup. I'm just going to add a slight bit of MAC's Prep and Prime Pen in Light Boost. You guys know I love this thing. Just on some of the areas. And then with the Morphe sponge, back in and blend. I don't know why, but I'm just really confused about what to do with my hair. I'm like, should I just leave it like hair dried, or do I curl it? Do I put it in a bun? I don't know. I don't straighten my hair, by the way. I never straighten my hair. I own straighteners, but I never straighten my hair because my hair is literally like this. It's dead straight. There isn't a kink to it, nothing. It's absolutely dead straight. So I never straighten my hair. But I want to curl it. But I just don't know if I can be bothered. I always love the idea and like the look of my hair when it's curly. But oh my god, I can just never be bothered to do it. Ever. My MAC Mineralized Loose Foundation in Extra Light. You know, it's my everyday look. Why would I use anything different but this? This is a Sephora number 79 brush. Just going to set everywhere that we put concealer. I don't set the rest of my face just where we put concealer. This is the first time I'm playing with this bad boy. The look I'm going to do is very similar to what I wear on an everyday basis anyway, so it doesn't really matter what kind of palette or eyeshadows you use. This is what it looks like. It looks like oh, I just want to friggin' eat it. Oh my god. What I would give to eat chocolate right now. Okay, so that's what it looks like inside. I'm kind of going to use like the orange like in the crease, and then like the look that I usually do is quite like soft in the crease, and then like it's a bit more grungy on the lower lash. This is a Sigma E35 brush, my bad. I'm going to take this shade here, the orangey one, in the shade Wild Thing. Just that bad boy. What I love about these is they always come with like little mirrors, so it always just makes it super handy to travel with them as well. So I'm just focusing this on the outer corner, lid and crease, and then I kind of just bring excess through. I usually do go for a lighter orange, but I mean, like I said, it doesn't really matter. As long as the lower lash is darker, I'm happy. That's the look I usually go for. And I just diffuse this as much as possible. I don't mind like shadow touching my brows. I don't mind it coming so far down, so far out. I'm really like relaxed with that. I don't mind it, and if anything I prefer it. If you guys don't like it that much, don't do it. Just do what you feel comfortable with, honestly. I'm going to also take a bit of that orange on the lower lash, and like I said, I do take this quite low down. Again, if you're not comfortable with it, don't do it. Like how I went out of focus then for no reason. Just that same Sigma brush. The reason why I like to take colours so far down on my lash line, a lot of customers at work ask me why I do it. It's because one, it hides my bags more because I'm tired constantly, and two, any like creasing or like build up of like powder and concealer and foundation and whatnot kind of like helps blend it and like eliminate it, which is why I like it, if you guys ever wondered as well. I'm then just going to go in with a MAC 217 brush. I didn't even realise it was a MAC brush, my bad. We'll go in with the lighter brown next to it called Hot Spell. That one, so we just use that orange, and I'm going to go in with this. You're more than welcome to pop this in the crease as well. But I kind of just leave it as just orange, but I might. I'm just going to pop this just on the lower lash. Just blend it with that orange. I usually can do this look like so fast, bar like the wind liner. That's where I struggle. Which is what, and it looks so effective, which is why I like it for like an everyday. And like if I'm going like to Liverpool to see Rose, or if I'm just like going out and I just don't know what kind of look to do, like this is kind of like the one I opt for. Then with that same MAC brush, I'm gonna go in with the darker brown in Heist, just that one. And then I'm just going to focus on first putting my brush just on the outer part of the lower lash, and then with the excess I'll go in with the front part of the lower lash. I'm going to go in with the last colour, Strike. Yeah, Strike, this shade here. Oh, there's me. Hello, me! Get quite a bit of kickback for some of these shades, but it's no biggie for me. And then again, just focus this on the outer part of the lower lash. Oh, this is a Zoeva 231 Luxe Petite Crease Brush. And then with excess, just bring it at the front. Then that is it for eyeshadow. That's literally it. I'm going to go in with a black liner. You can use a brown if you want, but because we do a wing, I like to go in with a black to kind of balance that out. This one's from Ardency In. It's one of my favourite black liners, if not my favourite black liner. It's in the shade Black. Did you guys guess the shade? Kind of get an angled brush and like rub it against the pencil. Just roll with me here, guys. And then like push that in where the lashes are, just to help the eyeliner and the dark shadows merge. I'm going to go in with the Sigma gel liner in the shade Wicked. With the Wicked, I don't know why I did that. But I'm going to take the Sigma wing liner brush in E06. So the eyeliner went well, if you ask me. The lashes, I curled my lashes and mascara by the way, and the lashes that I went for were my new favourite brand at the moment. These are Doll Beauty Doll Lashes in the style Danielle. Very similar to Mykonos by Lily Lash, which we all know is Sophie's favourite. And they're only £10 as opposed to £30 that I pay for my Lily Lash. So yes, I'm feeling hella flat, hella pale, so let's add some bronzer, shall we, into the mix. MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Tan. I usually use Give Me Sun, but I recently picked this one up and I thought I'd see how it is. I do like it. It's not as like brown as Give Me Sun. Give Me Sun's like an orangey brown, whereas this one's more like a more subtler brown. It's quite nice if I'm honest. Don't know if I prefer it to Give Me Sun yet. I reckon Give Me Sun might still be my favourite. I sell a butt ton of Give Me Suns because I love it. For blusher, I'm going to go in with the Hourglass Lighting Blush in Dim Infusion with an XO Beauty Precise Blush Brush. This skin needs some like moisture to it. This is so matte. Oh my god. I'm just going to spray my face with some Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray. Let's do highlight the lips, let's not mess around. I'm going to take the Nip and Fab Liquid Gold liquid highlighter, probably made in Thailand. Ooh. Probably one of my new favourite liquid highlights ever. Tip of the sponge I've been using. But if I'm honest, I mean, I don't want to shade anyone at all. But can you guys tell a difference between different liquid light highlighters or not? Like, I don't know if I can. I can't tell the difference between this one, the Iconic London one, or the Makeup Revolution one. I think I like this one the most because it's a little bit thicker than the others. But like colour wise and actual like performance, it's all the same to me. Anyway, I do want to get that new Iconic London spray though. So this is a new highlighter for me. I've heard nothing but amazing things about it. If you guys watch the vlog, has the vlog gone up before this? I think it has. A bit disappointed to pay £10 and that's all the product I get. That little thing there. When it said it was a mini, I thought it was the whole pan. It's not, it's just that little thing there. So I would recommend getting the full size because the price is disgusting for £10 for that. This is the Ofra Mini Highlighter in Rodeo Drive. And I'm just taking this on a Morphe M510 brush. So yeah, oh whoa. I really regret getting the small size. I only got a small size because I was like, oh, I don't know if I'm going to like it. Obviously I would, I mean, it's highlight. But I mean, for £10 you'd expect a little bit more than that. But I think it's my own fault for not reading the specs. Do that nude that I always wear, the NYX one, because that's what I wear on a day-to-day basis anyway. This is the NYX liner. I'm going to sharpen it a little bit in the shade Nude Truffle. Don't know why I'm looking, I know the name. This is the NYX lipstick in Beach Casual. I'm going to go in with this gloss from Glam Glow. It's called a Plumper Ages Gloss Lip Plumper Treatment. Oh yeah, I remember this being really painful actually. This is in the shade Clear. So cool how it comes out. Ugh. Let's spray my face one more time. Oh my god, I thought it wasn't recorded for that whole time. I was about to flip out. But I was, it's okay. Okay, I'm done. So you guys, this is the completed grunge makeup look that I tend to do quite a lot, my everyday, some might say. Makeup look, and I'm not going to say hair tutorial because I didn't do anything with my hair. I just, you know, scrunched it and hoped for the best. But if you guys did enjoy this, then please give this video a thumbs up. Anything else you guys want to see, any colours, any themes that you guys want me to do, then please let me know that as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!